Imagine waking up every day and knowing that what you desire is on its way to you. Picture yourself living your dream life, fully experiencing everything you've ever wanted. How would it feel? What would it look like? Well, the truth is that reality is within your reach. You have the ability to manifest anything you desire. The foundation of manifestation starts with belief, deep, unwavering belief that it is possible for you. The power of belief is like a magnet. It pulls toward you everything you need to make your dreams come true. And that power is inside you. The difference between those who succeed in manifesting and those who don't is simple. It's the belief that it can happen. But belief alone isn't enough. Clarity is key. You must know exactly what you want. If you're not clear on your desires, how can the universe know what to send you? People often say, I want to be successful, but what does success mean to you? Is it financial freedom, a thriving business, the perfect relationship, health? Get clear on what you truly want and make it specific. Once you have clarity, you must focus. Focus is the fuel that propels you toward your goal. Where your energy goes, your results flow. It's not just about thinking about your desires once or twice and forgetting about them. But focus is a daily commitment. It's about living your life with intention. The more you focus on your desires, the more you draw them to you. This brings us to one of the most powerful laws of the universe, the law of attraction. You attract what you are, not just what you want. You have to align your thoughts, emotions, and actions with the frequency of what you desire. If you want financial abundance, start by feeling abundant right now. If you want a loving relationship, start by radiating love. The energy you put out into the world is what will come back to you. But there's one crucial component that people often overlook: emotion. Emotions are the fuel that powers your thoughts. You need to feel what you want as though it's already yours. Feel the excitement of your dream life. Feel the gratitude. Feel the joy. Manifestation happens when your emotions match the vibration of what you're attracting. And here's the truth: manifestation isn't just about thinking positive thoughts. It's about action. Big action. Bold action. Every day you have the opportunity to take steps toward your dream. These may be small actions, but the key is that you're moving forward. Without action, manifestation is nothing but a wish. So step up, take charge, and make it happen. As you take action, don't forget to practice gratitude. Gratitude is the magnet that attracts more of what you want. When you're thankful for what you already have, whether it's your health, your family, or your opportunities, you open the floodgates to even more abundance. The more grateful you are, the more you attract. But to manifest anything, you must also confront and overcome your limiting beliefs. What's stopping you? What are the beliefs that hold you back from seeing yourself as worthy of your desires? Break free from the stories that say, this is impossible, or I'm not enough. You are worthy. You are capable. The universe is abundant, and there is always room for you to thrive. Another key to manifesting your desires is persistence. Sometimes the universe doesn't deliver immediately. There might be obstacles, delays, or detours along the way. But the most important thing you can do is keep going. Keep pushing forward. Keep taking action. Your dreams are out there, and persistence is what will get you there. To truly manifest your desires, you must become the person who already has what you want. You have to embody the identity of the person who is already living your dream. If you want to be a successful entrepreneur, start acting like one today. If you want to be in great shape, live as though you already have the energy and discipline of a fit person. Your outer world will always reflect your inner world. When you change who you are, your results will change too. Manifestation is not magic. It's a mindset, a way of living. It's the result of clarity, belief, action, and an unwavering commitment to your vision. Belief is the foundation of everything you create in your life. It's not just a passing thought or a fleeting idea. It's a deep, unshakable conviction that something is possible. When you truly believe in something, you align your thoughts, emotions, and actions with that belief. It becomes a force that drives you forward. Even when obstacles arise, the power of belief is so strong because it shapes how you perceive the world and how you respond to challenges. If you believe something is achievable, you will find the energy and motivation to keep going, even when things get tough. On the other hand, doubt and fear are powerful forces that hold you back. If you don't believe you can achieve your dreams, your actions will reflect that. You'll hesitate, second-guess yourself, and look for reasons to quit before you even start. The reality is that what you believe becomes your truth. Your subconscious mind doesn't know the difference between what's real and what's imagined. It simply accepts whatever you tell it. So if you constantly tell yourself, I can't, or I'm not good enough, that becomes the reality you live in. But when you change your belief, you change everything. When you believe that your goals are within reach, you start acting in ways that reflect that belief. The energy you project shifts. You take risks, push through fears, and take consistent action because you know success is inevitable. The power of belief is not just wishful thinking, it's the force that shapes your destiny. Clarity is the secret ingredient that turns vague hopes into tangible outcomes. When you're clear about what you want, you give the universe a precise signal about what to bring into your life. The more specific your desire, the clearer the path becomes. Without clarity, you may find yourself drifting aimlessly, caught in a fog of uncertainty. It's easy to say, I want to be successful, but success means different things to different people. One person's success might be financial freedom, while another's might be a fulfilling relationship or a sense of inner peace. The clearer you get about what success looks like for you, the easier it is to make decisions, take action, and stay on course. When you define your desires with crystal clarity, you create a powerful magnet that draws opportunities and resources to you. You also activate a sense of purpose and direction that guides your actions. When your desire is clear, it becomes easier to say no to distractions, and it becomes simpler to prioritize what truly matters. A clear desire helps you stay focused, disciplined, and aligned with your vision, even when challenges arise. Clarity doesn't just help you know what you want, it also helps you understand why you want it. The why behind your desire is what fuels your motivation and keeps you driven when the road gets tough. When you're clear on both your desire and your purpose, you unlock an unstoppable force that propels you toward your go. Focus and intention are the twin forces that propel you toward your dreams. Focus is the ability to direct your attention and energy toward what truly matters, while intention is the deliberate decision to align your actions with your deepest desires. In a world filled with distractions, maintaining focus can be one of the most challenging yet essential skills you can develop. Without focus, you scatter your energy in 1,000 directions and your progress becomes diluted. When you focus on your goal with unwavering commitment, you tap into a powerful force that moves you closer to what you want. Intention, on the other hand, is not just about what you do, it's about why you do it. Your intentions give meaning and purpose to your actions. When you act with intention, every step you take is deliberate and aligned with your desires. It's easy to go through the motions of life, but intentional living requires you to pause and ask yourself, is this action helping me achieve my goals? Is this thought supporting my vision? When focus and intention work together, they create momentum. Your actions are no longer random or reactive, they're proactive and purpose-driven. Having both focus and intention means you are laser focused on what matters most and have a clear understanding of why you're pursuing it. It empowers you to make better decisions, stay disciplined, and cut through the noise of everyday life. With this powerful combination, you create a pathway that leads directly to your desired outcome. The law of attraction is based on the simple yet profound idea that you attract into your life whatever you focus on and believe in. It's not about wishful thinking or hoping for the best, it's about aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with the energy of what you want to manifest. The universe responds to the vibrations you send out, which means that your mindset, beliefs, and feelings are critical in attracting the right opportunities and experiences. If you constantly focus on lack, fear, or negativity, you will attract more of the same. But if you focus on abundance, possibility, and positivity, you begin to magnetize the circumstances, people, and opportunities that align with that energy. The law of attraction works because everything in the universe operates on frequency and vibration. Every thought you think emits a frequency, and every emotion you feel amplifies that frequency. When your thoughts and feelings are aligned with what you desire, you raise your vibration to match the energy of your goals. This magnetic energy draws the right circumstances into your life. But it's not enough to just think positively. You must truly believe and feel that what you desire is already on its way. It's about embodying the energy of what you want, as if it's already yours. To harness the full power of the law of attraction, you must become mindful of what you think, feel, and believe. Every moment is an opportunity to adjust your mindset and energy to attract the life you truly want. Emotional alignment is the key to activating the full power of your desires. Your emotions are a direct reflection of your thoughts and beliefs, and they carry a frequency that can either propel you toward your goals or hold you back. When your emotions are aligned with what you want to manifest, you create a magnetic energy that attracts the right opportunities, people, and circumstances into your life. If you desire abundance but feel fear or scarcity, the universe responds to that vibration, and you'll likely attract more of what you don't want. But when you feel positive, grateful, and excited about your desires, you align your emotional energy with the reality you wish to create. Emotional alignment requires more than just thinking positive thoughts. It's about truly feeling the emotions that match your goals. For example, if you want to attract financial abundance, you need to feel abundant now. If you want a loving relationship, you must first feel love for yourself and cultivate the emotions of connection and gratitude. The more vividly you can experience the emotions of already having what you desire, the stronger the signal you send to the universe.
Your emotions act as the fuel for your actions. When you feel aligned with your goals, you naturally take inspired, confident action that brings you closer to your dreams.
Conversely, when your emotions are out of alignment, if you feel doubt, frustration, or impatience, your actions become hesitant and unclear. Emotional alignment helps you stay on course with a sense of joy and certainty that the right things are always unfolding. Taking massive action is the bridge between desire and reality. It's one thing to set goals and dream big, but without action, those dreams will remain just that, dreams. Manifestation isn't about waiting for things to magically fall into place. It's about consistently showing up and taking bold, committed steps toward your goals. When you take massive action, you signal to the universe that you are serious about your desires. You demonstrate your readiness and willingness to do whatever it takes to make your vision a reality. Massive action means stepping out of your comfort zone and pushing past fear and doubt. It's the willingness to take risks, make mistakes, and keep going even when you don't have all the answers. It's about being relentless in your pursuit of what you want, no matter the challenges or setbacks you face along the way. Often people hesitate to take action because they feel uncertain or are waiting for the perfect moment. But the truth is, there is no perfect moment. The moment you take action is the moment you start creating the momentum that leads to success. Taking massive action doesn't mean doing everything at once or overwhelming yourself. It means consistently taking meaningful steps in the right direction, even if they're small. Every action you take moves you closer to your goal. And as you build momentum, the universe begins to meet you halfway, bringing the right people, opportunities, and resources into your life. The key is to act boldly, act decisively, and never stop moving forward. Gratitude is one of the most powerful forces you can use to manifest your desires. It is more than just saying thank you for the good things in your life. It's about truly appreciating everything, big and small, that brings you joy, growth, and opportunity. When you practice gratitude, you shift your focus away from what you lack and toward what you already have. This shift in perspective not only makes you feel better, but also changes your energy and vibration, making you a magnet for more of what you want. Gratitude works by helping you tap into abundance. The more you express gratitude for what's already in your life, the more the universe responds by bringing you even more reasons to be thankful. It's like saying, I am ready for more. When you are thankful, you are energetically telling the universe that you are open and receptive to receiving greater things. Gratitude strengthens your connection with the present moment, allowing you to fully experience the richness of life as it is, which in turn attracts even greater blessings. Additionally, gratitude has the power to transform your mindset. It shifts you from a scarcity mentality, where you focus on what you don't have, to an abundance mindset, where you see everything as an opportunity for growth and fulfillment. By practicing gratitude daily, whether through journaling, meditation, or simply pausing to appreciate what's around you, you align yourself with the energy of abundance, making it easier to manifest everything you desire. Overcoming limiting beliefs is a crucial step in unlocking your true potential and manifesting your desires. These beliefs are deeply ingrained thoughts or assumptions that hold you back from reaching your goals. They often stem from past experiences, societal conditioning, or messages you've internalized over time. They can sound like, I'm not good enough, I'll never be successful, or I don't deserve to have what I want. The problem with limiting beliefs is that they operate on a subconscious level, guiding your actions, thoughts, and decisions without you even realizing it. They create self-imposed boundaries that prevent you from stepping into your full power. The first step in overcoming limiting beliefs is becoming aware of them. Take time to reflect on the stories you tell yourself about your capabilities, your worth, and what's possible for you. These beliefs often show up as fears, doubts, or negative self-talk. Once you identify them, you can begin to challenge their validity. Ask yourself, is this belief based on fact, or is it just a story I've been telling myself? More often than not, these beliefs are unfounded and simply reflect old patterns that no longer serve you. The next step is replacing these limiting beliefs with empowering ones. Affirmations, visualization, and surrounding yourself with positive influences are all ways to rewire your mindset. When you start to believe in your limitless potential, you begin to act from a place of confidence, resilience, and possibility. Let go of the mental chains that hold you back, and you'll unlock the door to a life of unlimited success and fulfillment. Persistence is the unwavering force that carries you through challenges, setbacks, and moments of doubt. It's the fuel that keeps you moving forward when everything around you seems to be working against you. Dreams aren't realized overnight, and the path to success is rarely a straight line. There will be obstacles, failures, and moments when progress feels slow or even non-existent. But it is persistence that separates those who succeed from those who give up along the way. When you commit to something, persistence is what keeps you going, even when the results aren't immediate. It's easy to get discouraged when things aren't happening as quickly as you'd like, but true success requires endurance. The most successful people didn't get to where they are because they had it easy. They got there because they didn't quit when the going got tough. They stayed focused, kept learning, and adjusted their approach when necessary, but they never lost sight of their vision. Persistence is also about maintaining your belief in your ability even when things aren't working out. It's about understanding that failure is not the opposite of success, it's a part of it. Every setback is a lesson, and every mistake is an opportunity to grow. The key is to keep showing up, day after day, with the same commitment and enthusiasm you had when you first began. The more persistent you are, the more you'll develop resilience, and the closer you'll get to the success you desire. To manifest your desires, you must first embody the success you seek. It's not enough to simply dream about your goals or wish for them to come true. You must step into the identity of the person who already has what you want. If you desire financial freedom, you must start thinking, behaving, and making decisions like someone who is already financially free. If you want to attract a loving, supportive relationship, you need to show up as someone who already embodies love, self-worth, and respect. When you align your thoughts, behaviors, and energy with the person you want to become, the world begins to reflect that back to you. Embodying success means adopting the mindset and actions of someone who believes they are worthy of success. It's about living as though your dream is already a reality, even before the external circumstances have caught up. This shift in perception is powerful because it moves you out of the realm of waiting and into the realm of becoming. The more you act in alignment with your future self, the faster you create the conditions for that success to manifest in your life. It's also about confidence and resilience. Successful people don't wait for permission to succeed, they act boldly and trust in their abilities. They don't shrink in the face of challenges, they rise to meet them. Embodying success is not just about what you do, it's about who you are. It's about becoming the person capable of achieving your dreams and allowing that energy to guide you toward your goals. The power to manifest anything you desire lies within you, and it all starts with your belief, clarity, focus, and alignment. By shifting your mindset, embracing gratitude, and taking massive action, you unlock the universe's abundant potential to work in your favor. But remember, it's not just about wishing for success, it's about embodying it, acting as though your dreams are already your reality and persisting through every challenge. The path to your desires may not always be easy, but every step you take, fueled by passion, intention, and resilience, brings you closer to your vision. Your dreams are not out of reach, they are waiting for you to step into the power that already exists within you. So take action today, believe in your limitless potential, and manifest a life that not only meets but exceeds your greatest aspirations. The time to create your reality is now. Embrace it fully and watch the universe unfold before you.